My name is Kirk Kristofferson, and I'm a marketing professor and consumer psychologist here at the Ivey Business School. I invite you to join me at the Ivey Academy for a live and interactive virtual learning experience, Customer Dynamics in the Digital World. I don't need to tell you that digital transformation has drastically changed the way that people live in a relatively short period of time. As consumers ourselves, we can see these impacts in our own daily behaviors. Our entire decision-making process is constantly shaped by the digital landscape. Now, digitalization offers critical opportunities for companies to connect with their customers, to create more engaging and effective customer journeys using data-driven insights, and to build long-term profitable relationships. Whether it's personalized product recommendations, AI-driven chat support, or augmented and virtual reality shopping experiences, technology empowers us to understand and cater to our customers' unique needs. Who will benefit from this workshop? Harnessing this potential is not just the job of tech teams. Leaders and professionals across functions and at all organizational levels need to be aware of the rapidly changing digital landscape and understand how to make use of a growing range of available digital tools, data, and analytics. Through live interactive sessions, you will explore real-world case examples from leading global brands. We will explore the challenges of collecting and harnessing vast amounts of consumer data, examine the changing dynamics of customer-generated content, and identify strategies to integrate emerging technologies with traditional tactics. You'll connect with peers to share best practices, innovative ideas, and lived experiences. And throughout our sessions, I will share cutting-edge research from the Ivey Behavioral Lab and the world of behavioral science. So, whether you're in marketing, sales, operations, or strategy, this workshop will equip you with the insights and tools to navigate the digital customer landscape. Because at the heart of every successful business lies a deep understanding of its customers. Join me as we dive into the essential aspects of customer dynamics in the digital world. I look forward to seeing you.